What's up, everyone? It's Justin here from Tech Fiends once again, and we're going to be doing another unboxing video today. And this one, I'm a little bit more excited than the last one, as I'm sure you understand. Finally got my hands on the new PS5. It has been an agonizing wait. I remember early in the year, Sony first started talking about the PS5, and Microsoft started talking about the Xbox, and Microsoft basically showed their hand first. Sony was smart. They kept their cards close to the chest, and it built up so much hype for everyone, including myself. So when the big reveal came, I basically was salivating, couldn't wait to get my hands on this thing. Then came the time for the actual pre-order, and as predicted, it was not an easy process. I remember the morning of, I believe it was 8 or 9 in the morning, they said that the pre-orders would go live on September 17th, I think it was. And basically, I was in a constant battle with my computer, constantly spamming the refresh button, adding it to my cart, going to pay for it, and getting all sorts of errors on the website, refresh, try again. But thankfully, I was able to get my pre-order secured, and here we are. A couple months later, I finally have this thing in front of me. I fell in love with it before I even had my hands on it. When I finally saw the reveal, I absolutely loved the design of this thing. You know, they went against the typical Sony black color scheme, which is, a lot of people don't really like that. I actually think that it was a bold choice, and it actually looked pretty good with my white media unit that I have here. The only thing that I am worried about is the colossal size, the rumored size of the actual PlayStation unit. That being said, now we can finally dive into the box and see what this thing actually looks like. So it's been out for 7 days already in the US. It came out on November 12th in the US. I am in the UK, so unfortunately I had to wait an extra 7 days to get my hands on this. It hasn't, deterred me from doing this video. And it actually just arrived, I want to say maybe 5 minutes ago. I ordered it through Amazon, so I just grabbed it from the courier as quickly as I could and set up to record this video. So with that being said, let's dive into the actual unboxing. So, now, I haven't watched any other unboxing videos because I did not want to spoil the surprise for myself. I've already seen enough videos and images of the actual PlayStation unit itself. So this is actually a box in a box. It's a pretty hefty box. Nothing special about the inner box. I also can't wait to get my hands on the DualSense controller. I've seen so much about it. It looks like it's going to be so cool to play shooters and racing games on it. So, with any new electronic device, standard guides, quick start guides, warranties, that type of stuff. After that, you have this is the stand base of the PS5. You can orient it vertical or horizontal. I will be standing it up vertically. I don't really have much space on my media stand as it is, so I will definitely have to stand it up on its side. This is the USB. I believe it comes with the 2.1 HDMI. Yeah, HDMI 2.1. Unfortunately, I don't have a TV capable of realizing the 2.1 speed. But it's not a big deal because they don't really have any games, or won't have any games that will utilize that increase in bandwidth yet. Anyway, the power plug. This is more so than the console. This is what I really wanted to see more than anything else. The DualSense controller with the haptic feedback and triggers. This thing. It is definitely an improvement over the standard PS4 controllers. How it feels in the hand, it fits. I wouldn't say it's larger. If anything, it actually feels like it might actually be smaller. It fits better in the hand, but it feels a bit heavier. And I'm assuming it's due to those extra haptic motors that they have for the triggers, adding a little bit of extra weight. And also, it's pretty cool. It's like, it feels like it has like a metallic feel. I know it's not metal. They have I believe it's like a magnesium compound that they use for certain plastics now that may give it like a metallic feel without the price of metals. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Then you would need like a microscope to see the grip actually has like tiny PlayStation symbols. Yeah, this is very nice. Cannot wait to turn this on and see what it can do. Okay, let's see what this is. And the power cord to charge the controller. And now, the big boy himself. Very secure, very nice packaging. One thing, whenever you order new electronics, you're always worried about who's handling it and if it's going to get to you safely. This one actually came, it was inside of an Amazon box, but it did have a little bit of damage on the outer box. But, here's the design. This thing is massive, and it is heavy. And it is gorgeous. Oh my gracious, this thing, after looking at it online for so long, pictures, teardowns, to actually have it in my hand, it's amazing. It's a very gorgeous console, and it is very, very hefty. I don't remember what the actual specs are for it, but it easily feels, at least 50% heavier than the PS4 and Pro. But it's man, I cannot wait to hook this thing up. So this is it. This is the Sony PlayStation 5, the beginning of next-gen gaming. This is Justin at Tech Fiends. Stay tuned for more. Thank you very much.